Hi, I'm Aaron from Columbia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your nail spotter from a skid plate to wheel kit. For this repair, you'll need an 11 32 nut driver, a 1/4 inch nut driver, a thin flathead driver, a large flathead driver, and your wheel kit. Each nail spotter comes with a skid plate on it. The skid plate rides down the wall and tracks how the nail spotter rides. If you're looking for a smoother ride with wheels, you can add a nail spotter wheel kit to your nail spotter. The first thing we're going to do is take the skid plate off. In order to do that, open your nail spotter door. Inside you will see 2 flathead screws. These are going to be tight, so when taking them off, make sure you use a strong enough screwdriver. Once you have those out, remove the top of the pyramid, remove that screw. For this, you'll need the thinner screwdriver. When your skid plate comes off, now so mud doesn't leak out of there, you need to take your 2 screws from your skid plate, put them back in the other way, the way the skid plate was on, turn it around, take the 2 lock nuts that came with your wheel kit and place them on the ends of the screws from the skid plate. Once they're on there, take your 11 32 bolt driver, put it on the nut, and fasten the screw. Do the same thing with the other one. For the little hole here, there's a flathead screw. Now it's ready to go. Now for your wheel kit, it comes with 2 wheels and 2 O-rings. You have to put the O-rings onto the wheels. For this, the struggle is real. It is a tight fit. There we go. Once you've done that, take your wheel axle. There are 2 placements for the wheel axle. The best one is the closest to the edge of the side plate. Apply your wheels, put the axle in place, apply your screw, loosely put it in, do the same on the other side, and then using your 1/4 inch nut driver, tighten down the other end. Now you have a wheeled nail spotter. Thank you for watching today's repair video. For more instructional videos, please go to columbiatools.com.